Assalamu alaikum. I'm Muhammad Imtiaj Hossain, teacher of Milestone Preparatory KG School. Welcome you to today's class. Today is very new topics. Can you guess which topics we are going to learn? Already we have completed our second term exam. So now today we are going to learn a very new topics. See, can you see what is it? Yes, this is a jar. Actually, it can contain 1 liter of water. 1 liter of water. But we have observed that there is not full of this water. So it is a little amount of water. Its value is 1 by 10. 1 by 10 liter. So this is the fractional number. Another way we can use, that is 0.1 liter. So we have used here point or decimal. So the number which can be used with the decimal point, that fraction name is decimal fraction. That means the fraction which can be expressed by the decimal is called decimal fraction. Again I am repeating. The fraction which can be expressed by decimal, this fraction is called decimal fraction. Clear? Have you understood? Look, if I go for more amount of water, it's more. It is 4 by 10. How can we express this fraction? How can we express this fraction as a 4 by 10 in decimal fraction? Yes, this fraction can be expressed 0.4. This is the decimal number. So can you tell me right now which topics we are going to learn? Yes, you are right. We are going to learn decimal fraction. We are going to learn decimal fraction. It is chapter what? 9. Decimal. This is the decimal. We are telling this is decimals. Okay. So whenever we will learn any class, any topics, you must open your book. Page number, its page number is 103. Will you please open your book? Yes. See, in your book, this type of picture is there. 104 page. Page number is 104. See, represent the following volumes using decimals and write words. See, this figure, actually this figure, if you see here, some part, this is number 1. It is the 1 liter of jar. Can you see in your book 1 liter of jar? Yes, you can see. See, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is the total part is 10. Among them, how many part is water? Yes, you are right. It is 9 by 10 part is water. 9 by 10 part is water. How can we write in decimal? Yes, it is. It means 0 point, 0 point, it means 0.9. It means 0.9. So, how can we write in word? 0.9 or 9/10 or 9/10. We can write this one as a word 0.9. We can write 9/10. 10th, 9/10. Have understood? Now this one, number 2. Number 2, it is also 1 liter of jar. 1 liter of jar. How many part is fill up? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 part. That means it is 4/10. We can tell it is 0.4. So in the word I can write it is 4/10. And number 3. See number 3. 3 is 2 jar together. 1 jar is full. 1 jar is full. Another jar is half. So we can write it's a full jar. That means full jar means 1 whole. And there is another jar is 5/10. How can we express in decimal fraction? We can write 1 whole decimal 5. In word, how we will write in word? How we will write 1 point or decimal 5? We will write 1 decimal 5. This is the things. So I hope you can complete in your book this part. Can you complete? Yes, you can complete. I think you can write in your book. Okay. Now see in this page in down, there are some numbers. Classify these numbers in decimal and integers. See 0.6, 1.7, 4, 11.3, 36.8. What are the numbers are decimal? What are the numbers are decimal? Yes, first one, the decimal is this one. We will write 0.6. Then this part also decimal. 1.7. Then 11.3 and 36 point or decimal 8. And integer means whole number. Integer means what? Loudly tell me. Yes, whole number. What is this whole number? Yes, only one whole number. That is 4. That is 4. This is the whole number. Now we can identify which one is the decimal and which one is the integer. Integer means whole number. Integer means whole number. Exactly. See some fraction. We can convert it into decimal fraction. It's easy. One thing you will learn, that is, if in denominator down is 10, that means after decimal there will be 1 digit, because 10 has 1 digit 0. 10 has 1 digit 0. And if it is 2 digit, that means 100, so it will be 0.01. That means after decimal 2 digit. If there is in down 1000 how many digit in the 0 in down? 3 digit. So after decimal there will be 3 digit. Keep it in your mind. 10 for 1 digit, 100 for 2 digits, and 1000 for 3 digit. Like this way it will be increase. Like this way it will be increase. Clear? Look, it is 3 by 10. I will write first 3. Simple 3. That means numerator 1 I will write first. Then I will count here. It is 10. 10 means after decimal how many digit? Yes, you are right. 1 digit. So from the right side we will count 1 digit. That means if I put here decimal, then after decimal there will be 1 digit. So here will be given 0 as an integer. There is no number, but integer number we will write like this way. Now the second part. See the second part. I will write 5 first. And we have observed that, yes, you are right. We have observed that there is 100. So 100 means after decimal how many digit? It is the denominator. So after decimal there will be 2 digit. If I put here, look, put here after 5 1 digit, it become 50. So value can be changed. But if I put before the 50, value will be not changed. It is 5, but it can be. So we will put here 0, then we will put decimal. Now our math is correct. Now see the second one. 275. We will write the numerator first. Now see 1 2. Yes, here is such way we will put decimal. The after decimal there will be 2 digit. Where if I put here after decimal 1 digit. No, wrong. So if I put here after decimal 2 digit, yes, it is correct. It is correct. Can I give you some math? Okay, I am giving on math. Please do it in your copy. Do it. Do it in your copy. I hope you need only 2 or 3 seconds. Write the numerator first, 7 4, then count it 1 2, count it from the right side 1 2, then there will be decimal. Now after decimal 2 digit, after decimal 2 digit, yes, it is match. Now this one 940 I will write, then this is 10. From the right side we will count 1 2. That means after decimal if there is 0, 0 has no value. So original answer will be 94. So after decimal if there is 0, 0 has no value. If we need, we can put 1000 of 0, no problem. After decimal the value will be not change. Value will not be change. Clear? So how we will read this one? Somebody they are reading 0 decimal 74. Wrong. We will in what? We will write 0 decimal 7 4. Look, if we utter 0 decimal 74, that is wrong. That is not correct. So it will be after decimal there will be single digit. There will be ordinal. Actually, next part we will learn why we will read after decimal as a single digit. 0 decimal 74. It is 2 decimal 75, not 75. If you utter 75, that means it is wrong. And we are failure that I cannot teach you. Now place value. place value. We know the definition of place value. The position value of the digit of in a number is called place value. So look, see, I'm writing look, this is a number. Before decimal, already we have learned in chapter 1. Before decimal, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, ujut, lakh, nijut, crow. Before decimal is the integral part. This is the integral part. Whole number. So this 4, the position name is unit or ones. This 2 is 10. Simple. We know earlier, but after decimal, we did not learn it yet. After decimal, see, 3, 5, 8. So decimal in Bangla name is Dashomik, Dash, 10. That means 10. 10, it will be start from the this digit is 10th. TH, it is ordinal. We have learned first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 21st, 31st. Like this way we have learned. That is the position. Now this 5, it is, if it is 10th, 5 is 100. 100th. 5 is 100th. Now this 8 is 1000. This 8 is 1000th. We have used here, follow this. It is TAs, it is also TAs, it is also TAs. This is the position and ordinal number sign. Have understood? And actually, what is the 10th means? What is the 10th means? This is the position name. This is the position name. Keep it in your mind. But 10th means 0.1. 100th means 0.01. Then 1000 means 1000th means 0.001. That means after decimal 3 digit, that is 1000th part. After decimal 2 digit, this is the 100th position. After decimal 1 digit, that is the 10th position. Keep it in your mind. 10th position. So here, this one you should keep it in your mind. 10th means after decimal 1 digit. 100th means after decimal 2 digit. 1000th means after decimal 3 digit. Like this way, it will continue. But here one thing we will learn. I'm giving you upper. Okay. Now, place value. Look. Place value of 2 is in 10th column. We will write 20. It is in 10th column. Place value of you must copy it. Place value of 4 is what? 4 is only 4. Yeah, you are right. Only 4. 4 is in unit column. 4 multiply 1 is 1. 2 multiply 10th is 10th. So now look, place value of 3 is, look, we know after decimal 1 digit is Which column? Which column? 10th column. That means it will be 0.3. 10th column, first digit after decimal, it is 0.3. Then place value, here place value of 5 is what? 0.05. Why 0.5? We know earlier the after decimal 2 digit, the second digit is gone after decimal. That means it is in 100th column. So after decimal 2 digit. Then place value of 8 is what? 0.008. Look, I have written all the numbers by position way. See, this is ones column, this is 10th column, this is 10th column, this is 100th column, this is 1000th column. So you must maintain the position while you are writing. It will looking good. So I hope you will write nicely and properly. Okay? Okay? So write it, copy it. Thank you for copying like nicely. And next one we'll go for write in word and write in digit. Okay? Write in word and write in digit. How to write in digit? How to write in word? Okay. Okay, I'm writing write in words. How we will write it? Yes, Tasneem, can you tell me? Very good. 3 decimal 4 2 0 decimal 4. How can I write? 0 decimal 4. Yes, 0 decimal 4 if you write there will be no problem. But this after decimal there is one digit, we can write it is 4. 4/10. 4/10. We can write it. If there is 0.05, how we'll write? We can write 500. 500. Have understood? I hope you have understood how to write in digit, how to write in figure. Everything you can understand by observing this one. Okay? Now, all of you open page number 105. Page number 105. 105. See, there is on a scale. There is on a scale, and on red tape is measuring with the scale, and it is not exactly the 7 centimeter. It is more about 7 centimeter. We know if anything divide into 10 part, the one part value is 0 decimal 1. You know it? Yes, you know it. So here, what will be the value? What is the length of the tape? What is the length of the tape? What is the length of the tape? Yes, total how many centimeter? Yes, we have observed total is 7 centimeter full. 7 centimeter full. But there is up to 4 gone. After 7 there is a small part. That small part is 4 millimeter. Already we have learned earlier. Now the second question, how many centimeter is 1 millimeter? How many centimeter is 1 millimeter? That means 1 millimeter equal to how many centimeter? We know 10 centimeter, but 1 millimeter equal to how many centimeter? It is small, so we have to divide. Actually, the question is how many centimeter is 1 millimeter. We know 1 millimeter equal to 1 by 1 millimeter equal to 1 by 10 centimeter, and we know to express this part. How we will express? 0.1 centimeter, because if I divide by 10 with a numbers, we can express this fraction as a decimal fraction, Clear? I hope next part you can easily find out. So 1 millimeter equal to decimal 1 centimeter. So 4 millimeter equal to, how I will write? This is number 3. 4 by 10 centimeter. Now 0.4 centimeter. And together express 7 centimeter, 4 millimeter equal to how many centimeter? It should be expressed with a decimal fraction. It is 7.4. This is the decimal number and 7 is whole number. Already we have write, and this is centimeter. I think you have understood. And next part is for you. Next part, page number 105, number 3. The weight of the orange is 1 kilogram 500 gram. How many kilogram is the weight of the orange? So like this we have to convert. If anything divide into by 10, it will be after decimal there will be 1 digit. 100 after decimal there will be 2 digit. 1000 after decimal there will be 3 digit. So now from this chapter, what are the topics we have learned? We have learned what is decimal fraction, how to use decimal in a fraction, how to write in word in decimal fraction, then place value. If there is any problem, you must ask to a teacher or us. We are ready to give you answer. Okay? And some homework will be given. So you will get homework very soon. Okay. Thank you.